An professional hacker or penetration tester is hired to find vulnerabilities in a company's system before malicious hackers can exploit them. They perform controlled attacks on systems using the same techniques as hackers, but with permission to uncover weaknesses. After testing, they provide recommendations on how to fix the vulnerabilities to strengthen security. Ethical hackers are one of the best paid professionals for keeping systems safe from real cybercriminals. An IT support specialist is the go-to person when it comes to troubleshooting and resolving technical issues for users within an organization. They handle hardware and software problems, help with system upgrades, and provide assistance for general tech issues. Whether it's fixing a printer, resetting passwords, or setting up new equipment, IT support specialists ensure that technology is running smoothly for employees. A network administrator is responsible for managing and maintaining the computer networks within an organization. This includes ensuring that the network is secure, efficient, and running without downtime. They handle tasks like configuring routers and switches, setting up firewalls, and ensuring that internet connections are stable. Network admins play a crucial role in the connectivity and communication that modern organizations depend on. A threat hunter proactively searches for potential security threats within an organization's network, systems, or applications. Rather than waiting for attacks to happen, threat hunters use advanced tools, techniques, and data analysis to identify hidden threats that might have evaded automated systems or traditional security measures. They focus on detecting unknown and sophisticated threats, often using threat intelligence feeds, system logs, and even behavioral analysis. Threat hunters play a key role in preventing data breaches and ensuring that emerging threats are addressed before they cause harm. A security architect is a senior-level IT professional responsible for designing and implementing security systems within an organization's infrastructure. They focus on creating a secure network architecture, selecting appropriate security technologies, and ensuring that every layer of the organization's systems is protected against cyber threats. Security architects work closely with IT teams to integrate security features into the network, databases, applications, and endpoints. They also design security policies and procedures that help the organization mitigate risks and comply with security regulations. Their role is critical in safeguarding an organization's infrastructure from advanced and evolving cyber threats. A system administrator, sysadmin, manages the operating systems and servers that power an organization's IT infrastructure. They ensure that systems are updated, configured correctly, and free from issues. Sysadmins maintain server health, manage backups, and monitor system performance. They are the backbone of an organization's internal systems, making sure everything from email servers to cloud storage is running as it should. An IT security specialist or cybersecurity analyst focuses on protecting an organization's IT infrastructure from cyber threats such as hackers, malware, and data breaches. They implement firewalls, encryption, and security protocols to safeguard systems and sensitive data. Security analysts also perform vulnerability assessments, monitor network traffic for suspicious activity, and respond to incidents when attacks occur. A software developer creates, designs, and maintains applications or systems that solve specific problems or enhance user experiences. Developers write code in various programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. They are involved in the entire development lifecycle, from initial design to testing, deployment, and ongoing maintenance. Software developers create everything from mobile apps to enterprise-level software systems. A web developer specializes in building websites and web applications. They focus on front-end development, the part of the website users interact with, and back-end development, the server side that processes data. Web developers use languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and server-side languages like PHP or Node.js to create responsive and user-friendly websites. They also ensure that sites are optimized for search engines and mobile devices. A security analyst is responsible for monitoring and defending an organization's networks, systems, and data from cyber threats. They analyze security incidents, investigate suspicious activity, and implement security protocols to prevent unauthorized access or attacks. Security analysts work with firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and other security tools to protect sensitive information. They also perform regular vulnerability assessments, conduct penetration tests, and ensure the overall security posture of an organization is up to date. Security analysts are the frontline defenders against cyber threats and attacks. A database administrator, DBA, is responsible for the management, maintenance, and security of databases that store and organize an organization's data. They ensure data is stored correctly, optimized for performance, and backed up regularly. DBAs also manage permissions, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information. They ensure databases are running efficiently, supporting critical business processes. A data analyst collects, processes, and analyzes large sets of data to uncover useful insights that can guide business decisions. Using tools like Excel, SQL, or data visualization platforms, they interpret data trends and present their findings in a way that stakeholders can understand. Data analysts help businesses optimize operations, improve customer experiences, and predict future trends based on historical data. A cloud engineer designs, develops, and manages cloud-based systems for businesses. They work with cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud to build infrastructure, deploy applications, and ensure that cloud services are running smoothly. Cloud engineers handle tasks like cloud security, cost management, and automation to make sure businesses can take advantage of cloud computing resources efficiently. A DevOps engineer bridges the gap between software development and IT operations. They focus on automating and streamlining the processes involved in developing, testing, and deploying applications. By using tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes, they create continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines that make it easier for developers to release software updates quickly and reliably. An IT project manager is responsible for overseeing technology projects from start to finish. They plan, organize, and coordinate tasks, timelines, and resources to ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. IT project managers are experts in handling project risks, managing teams, and communicating with stakeholders to ensure project goals align with business objectives. An IT consultant provides expert advice to businesses on how to improve their IT systems. They assess an organization's current technology, identify inefficiencies, and suggest solutions to meet business goals. IT consultants help businesses with everything from selecting new software and hardware to managing digital transformation projects. Their goal is to ensure businesses are using technology effectively and staying competitive. A business analyst works closely with both IT teams and business units to identify and solve business problems through technology. They gather requirements from stakeholders, analyze business processes, and create technical solutions that address organizational challenges. Business analysts ensure that IT projects align with business objectives and that technology investments lead to measurable improvements. A QA engineer ensures that software products meet the required standards of quality. They design and perform tests to find bugs, glitches, and other issues before software is released to users. QA engineers write test plans, execute test cases, and work closely with developers to identify and resolve issues. Their goal is to ensure a seamless and bug-free user experience. A system architect designs the overall structure of IT systems within an organization. They create blueprints that define how different software and hardware components will work together to meet business needs. System architects focus on scalability, performance, and security when building these systems. They play a critical role in planning and designing complex infrastructures, ensuring systems can handle future growth. An IT trainer is responsible for teaching employees how to use technology tools and software effectively. They design training programs, conduct workshops, and create documentation to help users improve their IT skills. IT trainers can specialize in specific software, systems, or even general tech literacy to ensure employees are confident and efficient in using technology. A network engineer is responsible for designing, implementing, and managing the networks that connect devices within an organization. They work with routers, switches, firewalls, and wireless access points to ensure that data can flow smoothly across the network. Network engineers also troubleshoot issues, manage network security, and optimize performance to ensure maximum uptime. An IT director is a senior management role that oversees the entire IT department within an organization. They are responsible for aligning technology strategies with business objectives, managing IT budgets, and leading teams of IT professionals. IT directors ensure that all IT operations run efficiently and that the organization stays up to date with the latest technologies. An AI specialist designs and implements systems that allow machines to mimic human intelligence. They work on projects involving machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. AI specialists help businesses automate tasks, enhance data analysis, and create smart products. They are at the forefront of revolutionizing industries through AI technology. A blockchain developer creates decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts on blockchain networks. They develop the underlying blockchain infrastructure that supports cryptocurrencies and other distributed ledger systems. Blockchain developers ensure that data stored on blockchains is secure, immutable, and transparent. An IT auditor evaluates the effectiveness of an organization's IT infrastructure and controls. They review systems, processes, and policies to ensure they comply with regulatory requirements and best practices. IT auditors help identify weaknesses in security, risk management, and data protection, making recommendations for improvements to ensure compliance and prevent potential breaches. Hey, if you're interested in hacking and want to learn it yourself the fastest way possible, you can grab my pro hacking cheat sheet to get a head start. Link is in the comments. Happy hacking!